Hey, how's it going, everyone? In the last lesson, we saw a method of reading and writing data to and from files. We'll do the same thing in this lesson, but we'll use a slightly different and better approach to actually working with the file. What I'm going to do is just get rid of what we already have here, and I'm going to say with open our file name, so save.txt. I'm going to open it in read mode as our variable. So I'll just say in file. This can be my file as in the previous lesson, but I'm just used to using in file. And down here, whatever we want to do with the file. So I'll just say data equals in file dot read, like we saw in the last lesson, and print data. So the cool thing about this method is we don't actually need to close the file after we are done with it. The with statement will automatically open and close the file for us once it's done working with it. So I'll just come in here and run my code, and you can see we get all the data that was in the file. If I go to the file, you can compare it there if you like. But yep. So this is a quicker and easier way of working with the file, and it also ensures that your file is automatically closed after you're done working with it. So in the same way, what if I wanted to write data to my file? So I can open it up in write mode, call this out file, say out file dot write. This is written to the file. Let's get rid of this. Okay, now if I run my program, okay, and you see we get this. This is written to the file, and I can go append mode, run the program. You can see that it's added the second line as well. I'll just do a /n here, save, run, and you can see a third one was added, but it was not added to the new line. But if I run it a fourth time, you can see the next one appears on new lines. Okay. Awesome. So I'll just go back to read, call this in file. So the first way of reading data we saw was in file.read, which just reads all the data in the file. There we go. Let's try reading the data one line at a time. I'll just rewrite this to say line 5, 4, 3, 2. So line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Now, what if we're reading the file one line at a time? We can just do for data in file dot read lines, print data, and just as before, we get each line in the file one at a time. I can do a dot strip to get rid of that extra empty line that we have. There we go. And I can work with this file one line at a time, however I like. Awesome. So that's all for this video, and reading and writing data to and from files in Python. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.